block C moves at 8 meters per second. So this is the velocity of this slider, around 8 meters per second. Okay, now the question is, determine the angular velocities of the link AB and BC. So this is clockwise and this is counterclockwise. If you do inspection, so it is going downward, it should move counterclockwise, this should move clockwise to bring it down. So omega AB you have to find out, omega BC you have to find out. So now what is the velocity VB? If this is the link AB, okay, this is the link AB, what is the velocity of point B? The magnitude, just see the magnitude, it is given as 2 omega. Now in terms of velocity vector, what do you suggest your professor? This is my I unit vector, this is my J unit vector, and this is exactly parallel to the negative J. What it is? Parallel to the negative J. Can I write down like this? 2 omega AB in the negative J direction, which is I already wrote down negative here. Do you understand this? Why did I write down like this? And now let's do the next link. From this link we found the velocity. Next link, I can write down this equation, velocity equation, VC equals to VB plus VC from B. Okay guys, so what is VC from B? VC from B equals to omega BC cross RC from B, RC from B. Now what is omega BC? We do not know, but this is counterclockwise, so I can write down omega K. Omega K, this is BC cross RC from B. It is positive. Look, RC, C means pointing towards C, from B. It is downward, negative J, to negative 2J. Do you agree with your professor? Now if that is the case, so how would you multiply? Let's do the math here. Omega cross B. So K cross J. Can you tell me if you K cross J? I, J, K. K cross J means negative I. You agree? Negative negative becomes positive. So 2 omega BC I. Do you agree with me? This is VC from B. Now let's plug it in equation number 1. VC in the vectorial form. We still have to do that vector form. Look, this is the vector. Can I write down this? This is 45. So if this is 45, this is 45 too. So this is, I can write down VC as cosine 8 cosine 45I and negative downward, negative 8, I'm sorry, this should be sine, this should have been sine and 8 cosine 45J. Do you agree with your professor? Now we have done everything in the vectorial form. Let's plug it in. Let's plug it in. 8 times sine 40 cosine 45. What do you guys get? So let's write down here VC equals to, so VC equals to how much? 5.6.
Yeah, 5.6.
Equals to VB negative 2 omega ABJ plus 2 omega BCI. Let me rewrite here. This is okay, don't worry about this one. So I can, what if you have to equate ith component and jth component? Can you guide me? Now left hand side is 5.65 equals to 2 omega BC. This is one equation, one unknown, you get 2.83. 2.83 radians per second. If you compare the jth component, negative 5.65 on the left hand side equals to negative 2 omega AB. So you get omega AB as 2.83 radians per second.